Hi everyone. If I was a dog, I would feel like a dog with two tails. It's been a good day today. This phone that you see in front of you is brand new to me. Only picked it up today, sent by a very good sender on eBay. I got it for a nice price as well. It was very reasonable, and it arrived beautifully packed. If the other senders are watching this video, many thanks to you. You've done a good job. It's interesting, and the thing is, it arrived in perfect condition. There's no damage, nothing. You've got your diagrams there as well, which is very helpful, by the way. I've taken a picture of it as it is to put on the front of the actual video, so I got that there. Anyhow, I don't know whether I was surprised or not. As you know, I'm a nosy son, and I always like to have a look inside, mainly to do these videos. Well, this one, it worked okay as regards dial tone and talking, but I never checked the bell. Well, the bell circuit was completely altered, as you can see. Some of the wires has been cut. I don't quite know what they were trying to do. It looks like they were trying to cut the actual capacitor out. They were trying to bypass the capacitor, and that wouldn't have done any good. And that may be why this turned up for the price it did. As I say, I don't know the history, but it was as I say, a good price, and I'm well pleased. As I say, I would have been very upset if the case had been broken, because that I couldn't repair. I'm no good at doing plastic repairs. And no, that was okay. The electrical work to me is not a problem. It's a bit of a challenge, and when you've got a diagram like I have here, it's a very small diagram. So I was thinking, I can't really see that. Let's see if one appears on the web. And yep, when I looked up W48, that is the number of this phone. It's a good old German standard phone. W48, first produced in 1948. This model, by the way, is from '61, made by Krone, another well-known German phone maker. When I looked this up on eBay, not eBay, Google, looked up W48 schematic, and lo and behold, one turns up, and not just any one, the exact one for this model. Now this model is FTZ 121255000, and it's the same diagram as you can see on the inside the case, but it's bigger, and for my eyes, which are not that good, I can actually see what it says, and I'm able to, or will be able to, trace the wiring and see exactly what has happened. Fortunately, nothing has been taken out. All the bits are still here, and it's basically wiring to the ringer, which someone's put a blue wire in, which is completely wrong. But anyhow, I will have a look at the diagram, and it will tell me where the wires go, and hopefully I'll be able to rewire it back to what it was. So yeah, as I say, not a bad buy. It's very unusual, well in my case it's very unusual, that any of the wiring's been changed on any of these phones that I've picked up. But this one certainly was, and it's probably the reason why this was sold at a very reasonable price. I thought it was a reasonable price. It's quite a nice distinct phone. Anyhow, that'll be a little job I will be doing sometime, sorting the soldering iron out, some nice neat wiring, and yeah, shouldn't be a problem. Anyhow, let's have a look at the dial. The typical German type of dial. In very good condition. I don't know the maker of the dial, probably made by Krone still. Can't see any other names in there. Unfortunately my eyes are not as good as they used to be, and it rather is a shame. But anyhow, that's the dial. It's a typical European type dial that I've seen on other phones from Europe. Well made, and yeah, it looks, as I say, it looks original, so I'd say it is in very good nick again. Anyhow, I'm going to stop talking now, and any comments please make. I am very pleased, and you know, it pays to have a little bit of knowledge to sort round the diagram. Mind you, this is quite an easy diagram. It's just a case of using my little meter, wherever I put it, to check where the wires go, because it goes into a form, so you know, by using that you can just tap out which wires go to where, and with the diagram no problems. Anyhow, many thanks for watching. Let me show you the back before I close down. There we have the back. Turn around so you can see it. There's the numbers upside down as per normal. W48, K there for Krone, and also on the back of the phone you've got another label with the name Krone, and it's nice that that's there. It hasn't been rubbed out or anything, so I'm well pleased, and all the bits to it are in excellent condition. There's no cracking, no breaking, nothing. The dial works perfectly. There's the diagram, I can show you, but this same diagram does appear under W48 schematic if you look it up on Google. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Can't think of anything else to say. If I ever get it, well, not a case of if I get it, when I get it going, I'll probably put in and show you how I've hopefully neatly rewired the missing bits. So anyhow, thanks again for watching. Thank you.